Hi, in the last few videos, we learned how a robot will work with help of the blocks we set here. So these blocks are nothing but the program. The program is the thing which is used to command the robot. For example, I am telling you to pass me a chocolate which is nearby you. So I'm instructing you uh, to get that chocolate. Now, how do you tell the robot to get the chocolate? So if you say him that get the chocolate from the that corner of our home, then it will not. So for that, what we need to do is we need to tell the robot to move forward 2 steps, turn left, again move forward, and pick up chocolate and come back 2 steps and again turn left right and then come forward 2 steps. So now you got the chocolate which was here in this point to this point. This is how a robot will work and the programming. So now when we have learned some blocks, like my program block is the most important block because it will be containing all the information we will be giving to the robot, right? So now what if we make some mistakes? So how do we rectify that? So come on, let's learn it. So now we want a robot to move forward 2 steps, 1 and 2, right? So now we have commanded it to move forward 2 steps. When we start it, 1, 2, it will be moving forward 2 steps. So now again we want it to turn left. After turning left, we want it to move backward 1 step and again turn left and again move forward and move forward. Okay, so now we have commanded our robot to move forward 1 step, 2 step. After 2 steps, it will be turning left, and after turning left, it will come backwards, again turn left, again move forward, and one more step forward. So let's see how it works. So start 1, 2, left, and it came backward, and it have stopped after moving forward. So as we commanded it, it have worked perfectly, right? So what if we want to change something in this? For example, I don't want robot to come backward. I want it to move forward itself. So for that, we will double click on this and we will take this out. We will take these blocks and place it back here. So now the move backward command has been removed from our program. So if we will click on this, we can see a trash bin here in the bottom part of right side. So we will drag it here and we will place. So now that block has been deleted from our program. Now instead of backward, we wanted it to move forward, right? So we'll drag move forward and place it here. So now what our robot will be doing is, let's see that. Moving forward, turning left, again moving forward and stop. So we commanded it to move forward 2 steps, 1, 2. After that it turned left and it have moved one step forward. And now again it have turned left. So now we learned how to rectify our mistakes when we do, or if we want to change our plan, then how to do that. So this is how it is done, and see you in the next video, future robot builders.